What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best tutorials on how to make money with Clickbank. Now, you guys have been loving my Clickbank videos, so I thought I'll put up another one for you so you can learn how to make money on Clickbank. If you don't know what Clickbank is, we will talk about that in a second. But what I like to do is teach you how to make money online to show you that it's possible to make money online. And I like to show you the best strategies to do this. So these strategies I have personally done myself. I'm either doing them now or I've done them in the past. And I want to take you through step by step and how you can do this yourself so you can make some money online using Clickbank. Now, this method is extremely simple to understand. And what I'm going to be doing is taking you through a few steps to help you sprout your money tree. I want you to be successful. I want you to learn about making money online and understand it. And I want to educate you on it so you can hopefully go and start your own online business doing this type of stuff. Now, if you don't know kind of what Clickbank is and how it works, we will go through it quickly before we get into the training. So Clickbank is a platform where you can find products to promote online for a commission. So you get paid to promote other people's products. Now, this particular product here that we're going to be talking about in this video, you can make an average of $256 per sale that you make. So it's quite a good chunk of money. All you would need is one a day to make $100 a day or $200 per day. So it's not too bad. And all you do is you get what we call an affiliate link, and you simply get that by clicking the promote button, and then you send traffic to that affiliate link. But there is a trick to this. You have to do it properly, because if you don't do it properly, it's not going to work. You need to trust me on this. I've been doing this for a very long time. I know what works. I know what doesn't. So I'm going to take you through what's working, how this works, and how you can make money from this. So the first step, guys, we're going to jump into all of this stuff, all the kind of like technical things. The first step is very simple. First, you need to sign up to Clickbank, create an account. This is very easy to do. All you do is go to clickbank.com, you click create account on the right, and then there's a page where you can join Clickbank and you should be able to get an account. Now, if you can't get an account at Clickbank for some reason, I will leave a video below that's got some alternatives that you can use. Now, the next step once you've signed up is we want to go and get our affiliate link. So we want to find a product that's working and we want to go and get our affiliate link. So this is how we do it. The first step is you want to log into the back end of Clickbank, and you want to go to the marketplace by clicking marketplace on the top menu bar, and you'll be taken to a page like this. Now, I've already picked out a product for us to do in this tutorial. So click on e-business and e-marketing, and we are going to be using a product called CB University. So this is actually a course that Clickbank has themselves, teaching people how to do affiliate marketing. And it converts very well. As you see, an average sale of $256 you can get from one sale from this. This is your earnings from one sale. Now, once you've found a product, you can actually promote this product and get your affiliate link by simply clicking the promote tab. And then you can, there's a few options. You can either do a $7 tripwire, a $7 customer research course, or you can do some other thing here. Just click on the one you want. And I would probably just do the default one and click generate hop link, and you get the hop link. Now, you get a 75% commission from this product. That's why it's a pretty good product to promote. And then this is your affiliate link right here, but we're going to use that in a second. What you want to do now is actually the next step, which is quite important, is we want to find the affiliate resources. So you want to have a product that has resources that we can use. And this is what I mean. If you click on the affiliate page down here and you open up this affiliate page, first of all, it's going to give you some details. So we'll go over those details first, then I'll show you how to get some resources that you can use. The details will first show you how much that they're selling this for and how much commissions you can get. So they've got a $47 a month package that you would get 75% from, and then you will get 25% of the recurring every single month. They have a $297 upsell, a $97 upsell, a $97 upsell, downsell, and then a $49 downsell. So you can see, and you get 50% commissions on all of those. So you can see how it can add up by promoting this particular product. And then there's some information down here. Now, we know this works, guys, because they have a pretty good gravity of 61. People are promoting it. It's Clickbank's own product, so it just makes sense to promote their own product, and it converts well. They have done a lot. I do know for a fact that they've done a lot of split testing on this, and it does convert very well. What you want to do then is just put in your information here, and you'll get taken to a page that looks like this. This page has all of the information that you need, including the price again, but it also has some emails. These are called affiliate resources that we can use. And they should also have some banners. So they've got some information actually that you can use if you want to do maybe some advertising, some keywords that you could target as well. And then they've got some banners that you can use if you want to use those. But we're not going to use that in this tutorial because that's not the type of thing we're going to be doing inside this training. And you can also download a book if you want to send this to people. And we will actually talk about this in a second. So what we want to do, guys, is we want to, the next step is we have the resources. Now what we want to do is we want to set up what we call an opt-in page. Okay, now this is where things get a little bit interesting. Once you have all the resources and stuff and you've kind of set, so you've got the link, you've found the resource page, this is what you want to do next. But this is a big mistake that a lot of people do first. One of the biggest mistakes that most people make is they will literally go and send people to their affiliate link. Now you've got to understand the mindset of a lot of people. When you send someone to an affiliate link and you say, hey, buy this course, they're not going to care. Why should they buy it? You haven't warmed them up. You haven't like done anything. This is a big problem that I see. Like I'll do training and people say, oh, I've made no money. And I'm like, what do you do? I sent them to a link. You can't just send people to an affiliate link. It doesn't work. 99.9%, you will never make money doing it this way. It just doesn't work. I've tried it. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So you have to do another way. You have to do a more sophisticated way that works better for you anyway. And you can build a business doing it like this. What you need to be doing is you need to be sending people to what we call an opt-in page. We need to be collecting an email. And then that email goes into a list and we make money with that list, which we'll be talking about in a second. Then you direct them to the affiliate offer, okay? You need to do that. So what I've done in this video is I actually have an opt-in page that you can use. I'll leave a link below. Now I use this on a program called ClickFunnels, and you can just simply upload this to ClickFunnels. And all you've got to do is edit the page, and you can simply edit the text. So let's just say, for example, we're going to give away this free book, okay? 7 Steps to Turn Your Passion into an Online Business. So, you know, we might do something like, what's the book called? We might do something like free book download. And then you can simply just copy what they have. 7 Steps to Turn Your Passion into an Online Business. 7 steps to turn your passion into an online business. And you can obviously make it smaller and you can change it and things like that. But what's more important is people will, so if I just preview this real quick, it hasn't saved, but when people click on this, you're going to get their email and you're going to send it to an email list, okay? Now, you can download this for free below. My funnel is free to get, but you will have to use ClickFunnels to use this funnel. And I'll also have a video in the description taking you through step-by-step how to actually set this funnel up and use it, okay? Well, I don't want to cram everything into this one video. I want you to get small sections so you understand. So I will leave some more training videos below on how you can set up this funnel and make it work. And you can use it in all types of online businesses. It's very, very simple. But you need to understand the concept of we want to send people to an opt-in page first, and then we want to send them to the link. I will quickly show you how to send them to the link. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings and then general, and simply just put your affiliate link in here, which I already have one, okay? Put your affiliate link in here, and then click, and then that's it, and then just click save. And then that will save, and then when people go to this page, they will go to the affiliate link. And if you want to get the link to this page to send people to this page, this is the link right here. You just send people to the link that shows up in your ClickFunnels account. Now, the next step is pretty simple after we do this, is we need to set up email automation. So a program that I use is called Getresponse. And I will actually leave another video below showing you how to set this up, because it is another video in itself, and it takes you through step by step how to set up Getresponse, how to connect it to ClickFunnels and all that sort of good stuff. But what you essentially want to do is you want to create an automated system. And this is what it looks like here. And we'll go back to Getresponse. So an automated system is basically the person goes onto your email list, and day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, you send them out emails, the emails that the emails that these guys have, you can send them out the emails, right? Because it's already there, it's already provided for you. And on the first day or instantly, you probably want to send them the book as well. So you'll send them an email and they'll also have the book in there. Now that book's going to warm them up to possibly, I say possibly, make purchases in the future. I can never guarantee that you'll make sales, but they might possibly purchase in the future on email day 2, email day 3, day 4, day 5, depending on how long you have the emails. I recommend doing at least 7 emails, 7 days of emails. And this is how you make money online. You go out and send these emails out and people buy the product through your affiliate link that's in the emails. That's how it works. It's email marketing. It's a very simple system to understand once you get the hang of it. This is creating an online business 101. This is what you do. You can do this in anything. You can do this if you're promoting your own products or affiliate products. We all use email to promote products. And then you have the emails here. Now, like I mentioned, I use a program called Getresponse, and you can literally so this one here brings in people from, so this is the form, right? You connect the form and it brings people in, and I send out an email straight away. And then we wait one day, and then we send out more emails. Then we wait another day, and then we send out more emails. And we wait another day, and we send out more emails. And this is completely automated. Once it's set up, I don't touch it ever again. It's completely automated. I only change things if I want to tweak them. And then this is an example of an email that I have in this flow here. And the email is pretty, easy, basic to do. The emails are very simple to do. It might take you a few days to get the emails together and set this all up, but once it's set up, you don't have to really do much with it later on. You just send the traffic. But like I mentioned, I will have a free tutorial below on how you can set up the emailing. I take you through step by step on how to set up all of this, because it can take a little bit of time to set this stuff up. Now, the next thing, guys, once you kind of understand, you've really just got to understand that you want to be taking people from the internet, and I'll talk about traffic source in a second, to a page to collect an email and then redirect them to the affiliate offer. Then you want to put them on an email list. You will never make money if you don't do it properly. It's that simple. I bet you 90% of people will leave this video and they'll just go spam the affiliate link. You won't make money. It's just not going to work. You need to do it properly, okay? And that's the honest truth right there. You need to do this properly to make this work. If you don't, and you just don't want to take the action and do it properly, it won't work. So send them to an email list and then redirect them to the offer, and then send them the offer in the emails as well. Once it's set up, it's simple because it's all automated. The next step, guys, is we need to get buyer traffic. We need to get people that are ready to buy this product. The best way to do this is we want to go and find people that already have an email list in the Make Money Online niche that already has an audience, and we're going to get them to send their audience to our opt-in page. It's really good, and I'll show you how it works. So what I recommend you do, there's a few places you can do this, but we want to use things called solo ads. Now let me just click on this guy's one. I don't know what one here. We'll click on this one here. This is called udemy.com, UDIMI. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. And you can go through to this particular website. Now, how this works, guys, is we want to go and buy leads, or clicks, I should say. And we can literally determine how many clicks we want. You can buy 1,000 from this person. You can buy 125. And for 125 visitors, I would pay $63. Okay. Now, my opt-in page converts at around about 60%. So let's just say we get 50% of the people to sign up and give us our email. We've paid probably around about $1 per email, which is quite good. I think around about $1 per email, which is quite good in this day and age. Now, what happens is these guys have fresh email lists, okay? And so this guy has a 200,000 plus list with high open rates and top tier 97%. It means the top tier means that it's coming from countries that are top tier, like USA, Canada, Australia, and things like that. And they usually do an over delivery, so 15% over delivery guaranteed. So you're going to get around about 15% more than 125 visitors if you chose this particular plan. Okay. Now, what you would do is you would go and get your link from ClickFunnels or wherever you have your link sent into the opt-in page. You would simply put the link in here. Okay. And then you would go add to cart and you would buy this particular product. Okay. So we'll just do that and see what happens. I haven't used it in a while. And they've actually got, make sure they've got good reviews, okay? Because that's going to determine everything. That's going to tell you whether they work or not. Now, a lot of people say, oh, solo ads are old school. They don't work and things like that. If they didn't work, people wouldn't be giving this guy good reviews. 2,000 good reviews, 2 down votes. This stuff works, you just need to be patient. You need to buy quite a few solo ads, and you need to wait for the people to get through your workflow. Could you imagine if you have 7 days worth of emails, you have to wait for them to go through that 7 days. I get people that will buy them and the next day say it doesn't work. You need to wait for them to go through that 7 days if you set up a 7-day autoresponder, or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. It takes time for people to go through the sequence. So if I click add to cart, and then you just pay it. This guy doesn't actually have a section, I don't think. Usually there's a section where you can actually put in, here we go, sorry, add text. So you can actually send him the email that you want him to send to his list. So the subject line in the email if you want to. However, I like to just send them the link and they will just do the email for you. But if you want to, if you're good at creating high converting emails, then just click add text and you can put in the email yourself. There's so many sellers you can find, okay? And a lot of them have a good reputation. There's barely any bad reviews on this website, okay? They all have a very, very good reputation, and you can find them here. But that's where you can get the traffic from. I've actually used this girl quite a bit. She's really, really good, but this is where you get the traffic here. Now, if you want to learn more on how to do this, guys, I will leave some free videos below in the description that will take you through step by step, because I literally can't show you all in this video. I know that people have short attention spans, so I want to keep this video short to medium. So in the description, I'll have videos on how to create funnels, how to create email lists, how to connect everything up together, and I'll also have some more videos on how you can make more money online. Now, if you don't want to go to the description, you can click the video up on the right. I'll leave some other videos on how you can make money online. I'll leave a playlist on how you can make money online with Clickbank. Now, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, let me know below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, tap the notification bell so you know my next video comes out. And I wish you luck with making money online with Clickbank.